The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, edged up by 7.84 points to close at 22,620.15, recording a marginal gain of 0.03%, while the S&P Sri Lanka 20 index advanced by 15.12 points to 6,229.68, reflecting a stronger increase of 0.24% amid mild positive sentiment in blue-chip counters, as the market ended the session on a relatively flat but slightly optimistic note. Market activity remained robust with total turnover reaching LKR 3.09 billion, supported by crossings amounting to LKR 942.23 million, while John Keells Holdings plc and Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc emerged as the companies recording the highest traded value during the session, as overall market capitalization stood at LKR 8,166.26 billion, reflecting steady investor participation. Market participation was largely driven by domestic investors, with total purchases amounting to LKR 2,891.27 million, accounting for 93% of overall buying, while foreign purchases contributed LKR 205.39 million. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded LKR 2,852.16 million, representing 92% of total sales, whereas foreign sales stood at LKR 244.49 million, indicating continued dominance of local investor activity amid relatively modest foreign involvement. Leading the market's upward momentum, Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc emerged as the top gainer with a sharp 25% increase to close at LKR 0.10, followed by Rambota Falls plc, which rose 7.8% to LKR 2.70, and Resus Energy plc gaining 7% to LKR 0.70. Meanwhile, Kalani Cables plc advanced 6.8% to LKR 7.75, and Radiant Gems International plc appreciated 6.49% to LKR 9.75, rounding off the list of top gainers for the day. Dragging the market lower, TES Agro plc led the list of losers with a 6.67% decline to LKR 0.10, followed by Ceylon Guardian Investment Trust plc, which fell 5.68% to LKR 14.25, while Colombo City Holdings plc slipped 5.61% to LKR 9.75. Meanwhile, Janashakti Finance plc dropped 5.15% to LKR 2.20, and HVA Foods plc declined 5% to LKR 0.40, rounding off the top losers for the day. Among the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index, Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc and John Keells Holdings plc led the gains, supported by notable contributions from ACL Cables plc and Dialog Axiata plc, while Ceylon Tobacco Company plc also added upward momentum, collectively driving the index to close on a marginally positive note. Weighing on the All-Share Price Index, Richard Puris and Company plc emerged as a key negative contributor, alongside DFCC Bank plc and Central Finance Company plc, while continued selling pressure in Ceylon Guardian Investment Trust plc and People's Leasing and Finance plc further dragged the index downward, offsetting gains seen in select blue-chip counters.